I want a guy with really chubby cheeks so I can just pinch him in a weak jaw. Ooh, I love a weak jaw. Said no spicy senorita ever, which is the problem, gentlemen, if you do indeed have a chubby face or fat cheeks or you've got a weak jaw. Gentlemen, and the reality is that some of you do, but you don't need to. And so today, what I'm gonna do is go over a few things that you are doing wrong that is making your face look fat and your chin weak. So the first reason why your cheeks are chubby and your chin is not as strong as it should be is that you're retaining a bunch of water in your face. Subcutaneous water retention is a real thing, and it's something that is exacerbated by the shitty foods that we eat. One of the quickest and easiest things that you can do to reduce the chubby cheeks and to have a stronger jaw is to retain less water. All right, how are you going to do it? You're going to eat a little bit better. You're going to cut down on the amount of crap that you're consuming, and then the other simple thing you can do is consume at least a gallon of water a day. A little pro tip that I use is I will add some lemon juice to the water I consume. The lemon acts as a natural diuretic and helps the water be released and actually flush through your system. Another natural diuretic is actually caffeine. Guys, the deal is you got to consume more water, you got to eat less shit if you want your face to be defined, sexy, and your jaw strong. The second mistake that's making your cheeks look chubbier and your jaw weaker is you're rocking the wrong hairstyle, all right? And what I mean by this, if you're somebody that has a rounder face and you're rocking some form of like round, soft hairstyle that's not real angular or tight on the sides, chances are it's going to make your face look even rounder than it is. You need to look for a hairstyle that's going to have more structure, more angles, as opposed to doing something that's soft. So here's an example of what not to do. A super round face with a round, soft hairstyle. But check it out. Now, see, by changing his hairstyle, giving it a little more structure and strength, it is making his face look leaner and his cheeks less chubby. The third mistake, gentlemen, is rocking the wrong facial hair, all right? So facial hair can strengthen your jaw and make your face look more angular if you're doing it right. But if you're making some facial hair mistakes, it's actually going to make your face look fatter and your jaw weaker. If you have a round face, it is critical when you grow your beard to keep it shorter on the sides and let it grow a little bit longer on your chin. It's about strengthening and lengthening the face, all right? One thing that I noticed when I actually let my facial hair grow a little bit fuller is that automatically I started to look a little bit fat. Check it out. I let my facial hair grow a little bit longer and look how much chubbier I look in the face. You also don't want to let your facial hair grow up too high on your cheeks. Once again, it's about defining your boundaries in order to strengthen and lengthen your face and jaw. So now what I'd like to do is actually show you how I groom my beard in order to create strength and structure to my jaw, all right? So I grab my Brio, it's the best grooming tool on the planet, and I will pop on the 6mm attachment, all right? And then I will go over my entire face. 6mm all over my beard, and then what I'll actually do is switch it to the 3mm side, and then I will drop those micro adjustments down, all right? That's the really cool thing about Brio. You've got like seriously ultimate control. And then what I'll do is starting right about here, I will then go up my face to start to transition to a little bit shorter style, all right? Both sides. When I get up to my sideburns, guys, I roll it, right? You want to roll it out so that it's not like a hard line. It's feathered, right? Get all under there. And what I'll do, I'll drop it another 2 clicks and start basically here and go up so it's a little bit shorter. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Right about there, roll it, roll it, roll it. And then I'll pop off that blade and attach my 0 blade. Look how close that actually cuts, all right? If you're somebody that actually does suffer from ingrown hairs or razor bumps, right, and you want a super close shave, but you don't want to actually shave with a razor, this is the perfect solution. And then what I'll actually do is come in and define my boundary. And all you do to find it, guys, is draw an imaginary line from your ear down to the corner of your mouth. You're going to shave everything above, leave everything below. And so with my 0 blade, I'm going to come in and tighten it up. Guys, this 0 blade is freaking literally amazing. It gets it literally like ball. Look straight ahead, take your finger, and boom. You're gonna shave everything below, leave everything above. When you start carving up into the underside of your neck, it is automatically going to make your jaw look super weak, all right? And so once again, I grab my 0 blade. Right there. Right there. Guys, Here's the deal. If you want to check out the Brio and you don't have one, I'm going to link to it down below right now for a limited time. For those of you who grab one, they are going to throw in the Zero Blade for literally free, gentlemen. They are throwing in the Zero Blade absolutely free with your order. This bad boy is a must-have. It's a $25 value, and honestly, it is amazing. Guys, the fact is, if you have not checked out Brio, now is the time, because like I said, right now, for a limited time and while supplies last, because last time we did this promotion, they literally sold out in about 2 hours. They're back in stock, and so if you're interested in grabbing it, guys, it is the best deal on the best grooming tool on the planet, period. I'm going to link to the Brio down below. My Brio knows my body better than my wife, literally, because I use this thing not only on my face to make my face look sexy, I use it on my body. This is also amazing for manscaping. Guys, the Brio also makes an incredible holiday gift, so if you're looking to get that special dude in your life an incredible present that he's actually going to love, just hit the link down below and grab yourself. Treat yourself and your beard to the best, and the best is a Brio. Right now, like I said, limited time. For those of you who hit that link and grab one, you're going to get the $25 Zero Blade for free. So the fourth mistake that's making your cheeks look super chubby and your chin weak as hell is that your posture is poor, and it's making everything round and soft. See what happens when I'm back and down, right? Boom. When I'm up, bang. Exactly. So here's the deal. Right, right, boom, boom, boom. Gentlemen, this is not rocket science, but so many of you are so busy and buried down here that we've gotten into the habit of being down and looking down, as opposed to, boom, you're up, right? Your posture when you're walking, chest up, shoulders back, head up, looking where you're wanting to go as opposed to down. Gentlemen, if you get into the habit of having better posture, both when you're standing and walking, but also when you're sitting to work, it's going to have a dramatic impact on the definition and the lack of chubbiness in your cheeks, not to mention your jaw. You want it stronger? The whole idea and concept behind mewing, you guys have all heard about mewing, right? It's about elevating and lifting your tongue to the roof of your mouth. And when you train yourself to actually not have lazy tongue posture, it will actually change the look and the shape of your face. Fifth mistake is actually a style mistake that's making your face look rounder and fuller than it actually needs to, all right? So, a few tips that I'd like to give you if you want to make your face look more defined and angular and your cheeks more slim is rock some type of V-neck as opposed to a crew neck. It's all about drawing the eye down, and when you draw the eye down up near your face, when people look at you, it automatically is going to visually make your face look more angular and defined, all right? Same thing happens when you're wearing a button-up shirt. Because it opens up a little bit, you're drawing the eye down. Same thing with Henleys and polos. Another tip I'd like to talk about is actually with suit jacket lapels, all right? If you're looking to make your face look more defined and angular, what I'd recommend is go with some type of peak lapel. And the reason is because the little peak is actually, once again, going to draw the eye down, create length and visual strength to your face. Lightweight V-neck sweater, also another amazing shirt in the fall and winter months in order to give the visual illusion of length and strength. Something that is not amazing in terms of making your face look a little fuller is a hoodie. And the reason is because you've got excess fabric up near your face and your collar, making it look bigger, chunkier, and fuller. And last but certainly not least, the sixth mistake that you are making is making the cheeks just want to pinch them is your body fat is a little too high. Of course, right? Reduce your body fat. If your body fat is getting up there, right, you are going to gain weight in your face. One of the first places that I personally notice when I lose weight or get leaner is in my face. It's like unbelievable how almost instantaneously you notice a difference. So all I'm saying, guys, if you are somebody that needs to lose a few pounds or your body fat percentage is a little bit high, simply reducing your body fat and doing what you need to do in order to do that, right? Working out, lifting weights, of course, your diet needs to be better, and cardio. Cardio, that's another bonus tip, guys. One of the things that is going to help you lose body fat, not to mention get you a little bit sexier and help you retain less water, is actually to do cardio. Sweat, guys. 30 minutes a day is all I'm asking for. Now, for you guys out there that are doing like 0, that sounds like a lot. But I'm telling you, if you just move, if you just walk, if you just get active for 30 minutes a day and break a sweat, you're going to notice a dramatic impact on A, how your body fat comes off, but also your face and how those cheeks get less chubby almost overnight.